Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video and thank you for investing your time and money into this product. I wanted to give you a proper demo and show you how to use it and how to get the most of the Ads Architect toolkit. As you can see, a bit of a story actually. I initially started with lots of individual prompts to generate various things, but the more you work with it, the more these prompts need to get bigger and bigger, and eventually I ended up with huge prompts, so that right now the total, as you can see here, the entire prompt for me is like 19 pages. But if I delete the market information, all that, it will get smaller. But however, it's pretty big. And I managed to compile all of the little prompts into one big prompt, because this is section 2 where it says market information and problems and challenges. This section, if you want to use them individually, you will have to copy and paste them over and over. So there are 11 prompts basically: problem scanner, the advantage articulator, the problem solution mapper, the big idea catalyst, the engagement engineer, the CTA sculpture, copy decoder, ad safe guardian, and the other 3D guarantee designer, the obstacle navigator, and the attraction blueprint master. And in order for them to actually work the best, or as or the best GPT can, you need to prime the prompts with market informations and with all the problems. And the first time you make a copy of this, the market information section will be empty, and so will the problems and challenges. And what I advise you to do is to actually enter them in ChatGPT, inside of ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how right now. And then ask ChatGPT. Actually, let's do it live. So let's assume you're creating a new chat, and if you choose, I strongly recommend GPT-4, because if you use ChatGPT 3.5, you'll end up with this little error because the message submitted is too long. And this happens because I combined all of these prompts. And if you insist on using ChatGPT 3.5, then you will have to remove parts from here. Like if you want to just create big ideas, you can keep the general instruction. So up to point number 3, you need to keep and to copy paste from one to another. But if you want to use GPT-4, it works. Like, let me refresh. So if you want to use GPT-4 and you paste, it will output systems initialized, please type a command. This is because I added some code. By the way, I'm an ex-web developer and I know how to code, so for me it's very easy to do stuff like this. So I had ChatGPT evaluate this statement, which basically checks section number 2 and section number 3. And if you haven't entered any information in there, it tells you, hey, please fill the market information in section 2, or please fill in the problems and challenges in section 3 and resubmit the prompt. So typically you want to type a prompt like this: help me with the problems my market has. And when you do this, ChatGPT is going to output the problems, and it knows you're targeting Facebook advertisers. In my case, I'm targeting Facebook advertisers because I told GPT in the market information, the market is the copywriting niche, especially advertisers and digital marketers. So it outputs the problem, as you can see, problems right now. And you can expand, like GPT says grabbing attention, adhering to guidelines, audience targeting, and you can expand on this, like grabbing attention. Okay, this refers to hook, then getting ideas, conversion, efficacy. Okay, I need to write I need to write copy, and I need to also write I need to come up with ideas, and I need to write copy using formulas. So I went on and expanded and asked ChatGPT to give me more and more problems related to all of these individual micro tasks. So it ended up with a huge list of problems and challenges. And at the end, I also added the benefits of the copy I've written on the website. So this is how you actually prime the market information and the problems and challenges. And now let me show you how to use them one by one. So this was the market information or the problem scanner. Now the Advantage Articulator prompt. Just a second. Help me with copy. Sorry. Yeah, so as you can see, ChatGPT outputs ideas you can use for in your copy. Then I'm going to show you, this was the Advantage Articulator, then the problem solution mapper. So let's say map the features of my product to the problems in my niche and how it solves them. So these can end up in your bullet list, in your on your copy. And also these. Check this out. Problem scanner, targeting specific audience pain points. Difficulty in understanding and addressing specific audience needs. Then, enhancing copy persuasive. I can't even pronounce this. Persuasiveness. Then, aligning product strengths with market needs. Problem solution mapper. Exactly this prompt we're using now. Or you could do go through all the problems in my market and map them to my features. So you go the other way around. I see it outputs the same thing basically. But it starts with the problem. So before it started with the features and the deliverables, and now it starts with the problem. And if you don't want them in this format, you can say okay, but output list of bullets and only write copy. Use Engagement Engineer for hooks that make your ads stand out in the crowded Facebook feed. Ensure compliance and avoid ad rejections with the AdSafe Guardian. Identify specific audience needs for more effective targeting. Craft compelling use insights from Copy Decoder to continually innovate and refresh your ad copy. This is not technically innovating because you decode other people's copywriting, but it works. Okay, now, so moving on, problem solution mapper, and my favorite, the big idea catalyst. Help me write a big idea. And check this out. So this is live. I'm not clipping this demo at all, except if I want to take a break and stop it, but typically I don't want to clip it at all because I want to show you how easy it is with ChatGPT and my prompts to actually create copy for your ad. So right now we're 10 minutes in the video and I already have some copy I can use. So in a world where online advertising is a relentless battle for attention, imagine a secret weapon that turns your ad copy from just another post in the feed to a magnet for engagement, because your picture your ads breaking through the noise, resonating deeply with blah blah blah. Our toolkit isn't just a set of tools, as you can see. It's your ally in the art of persuasion, making each word count, each message hit home. And the big idea used transformation of ordinary ad copy into powerful, emotionally resonant messages using a blend of AI and human creativity. This is exactly what we're doing here. So ChatGPT was on spot. Now, help me. Now, right. Sorry. I need to stop being so polite with ChatGPT. And now write a hook for this copy and put it at the beginning of the copy. Think less is more in ad copy. Think again. Discover the power of every word. I'm not a fan of this. Who says ad copy should be short and sweet? Like, this targets the idea that where people say that only the short form copy is actually the best to use in ads, and in ads in VSLs in general. But this isn't true, because there isn't too long copy, there is only boring copy. So like, if you catch the user, and if you write great copy, then they're going to stay for a long time consuming your content. Unfortunately, it changed the hook. Okay, let me just grab the first hook, because I really liked that one, and go back. How do I do that? And go back. Okay, I'm going to use the hook I liked, and I also wanted to ask GPT to give me a CTA at the end. So this would be the CTA sculpture. So we went through the big idea catalyst, the engagement engineer with the hooks, and now the CTA sculpture. So who says ad copy blah blah in a world where online is relentless blast, battle for attention? Yeah, I think it fits. And if it doesn't fit, then you can have ChatGPT rewrite this and tell it specifically to alter the big idea copy to fit the hook. Ready to transform your ad strategy? Click here to explore the future of ad copy and start crafting your story today. Okay, now let's rewrite it, the deck copy, to make it easier to read. Use shorter paragraphs of only max, because this chunk of text is too big, and I like it to have copy where the paragraphs are typically short and easier to read. So it already does a better job now. Awesome. And now we're ready to go into analyzing this copy. So for example, I want to see how compliant the copy is. So let's say analyze the copy for and it should give me a score from 0 to 100 and point out language and tone, uses respectful and appropriate language, it avoids aggressive or misleading statements. $95 out of 100. So in my opinion, this is pretty safe to publish, because as GPT says, it's largely compliant with Facebook advertising policies. Minor adjustment can be made to ensure complete alignment with all guidelines, particularly in the clarifying the subtle implications. You cannot write great ads without implying stuff or like making claims at all. So you kind of want to go into that gray area, but do not. My advice is to not go too deep into the gray area where the gray starts turning into black. So you better stay on the safer side. Now let's say we have this copy and we want to analyze it, decode it, sorry. So this is the first prompts in the bonus section that says copy decoder. We already used the Ad Safe Guardian. It gave us the 95% score. And now the copy decoder. Let's see what it outputs. Let's ask it to dissect its own copy. Okay, so it's already identified it's a contrarian hook. Body copy, imagine transforming your ad copy. Presents the main benefit of the product. That's sweet. Emphasizes quality over quantity in your ad copy. Yep. And this also quality over quantity. This also aligns with the hook who says ad copy should be short. So it's not about how long it is, but how it keeps the users engaged. So from here, from this analysis, you can draw some conclusions, like you have some hooks, the body copy, the call to action, and inside of the body copy you have some claims. You can talk about the benefits of the product. You can talk about you can highlight stuff in your features and benefits. Target market aimed at advertisers or marketers looking to improve their ad strategies and engagement. Yeah, so as you can see, you can give it you can throw a copy at it and you can have it dissect the copy. Okay, so the Guarantee Designer. So write me a guarantee statement of my product. So now we're 18 minutes in the video and we already finished writing the copy for the Facebook ads, and now we're just playing around with the other features just to show you how to use them. So your success, our promise, experience the transformation in your ad campaigns with your innovative toolkit. We are so confident in the power. It has this tendency to just write in a single block. We're so confident that the power of our AI enhanced tool that we offer 90 days satisfaction guarantee, which is 30 days in my case. If you don't see a noticeable improvement in your ad engagement, simply reach out to us within 90 days of purchase. We'll work with you to make it right, whether that means additional support or hassle-free refund. You can just delete this. Our commitment to success and satisfaction, ensuring that your investment in our toolkit is completely risk-free. Trust in our technology to revolutionize your advertising strategy and elevate your campaigns to new heights. It made it shorter, actually. Okay. And last but not least, write me a PASS lead, which stands for problem, agitate, solve. And this could be used instead of the big idea, the angle, or you can use it as a script to actually record yourself with the phone to create a video. So struggling to make your ad stand out on Facebook, you're not alone. This copy will be enough for like 30 seconds, 40, 50 maybe of video. And if you write a copy that's too short, you can say expand on the problem. Please describe the symptoms of the problem. How is it for people to Are you tired of watching your carefully crafted Facebook ads drown in a sea of digital noise? You spend hours, maybe days, perfecting your message. In our case, we spent only 20 minutes choosing the right images and targeting the perfect audience, yet the moment you launch them, they seem to vanish without a trace. No click, no engagement, no sales, just silence. This constant struggle feels like shouting into a void. Each failed ad chips away at your confidence and budget, leaving you questioning your skills and strategies. You watch as competitors, blah blah blah. It's a draining cycle. Yeah, to be honest, I personally like this copy, and it can definitely be used as a draft copy and even as final copy if you want it, if you want to publish it as GPT gives you. But the point I wanted to make is you can really write a lot in 20 minutes. So this video, we're 22 minutes in the video right now, and we already have some copy. And if you want to, you can have ChatGPT give you a couple of big ideas. Then for example, give me 10 hooks for the copy, and it will give you 10 hooks. Then you can combine them and come up with fresh copy for both your your main text in the ads and also for the video, because you can film yourself with the phone and actually publish those as videos, because as you can see, GPT outputs copy that's enough for like 30 seconds of video, which is ideal on Facebook, to be honest, because Facebook has this tendency to promote not only for Facebook. This happens also with Instagram, with TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and all that. The tendency these days is to promote short videos. So you want to have this balance where you also have short videos and you have longer videos. And yeah, I think this is enough for a demo. Let me know what you think. Email me. I'll be posting this on YouTube, so you can comment in there as well. And let me know how you feel about this product. Let me know if you used it. Let me know if you liked it or if you didn't like it, and if I can make anything to improve, to actually improve it. And as it is now, I'm pretty happy. I'm writing all of the ads right now for my campaigns for this product with ChatGPT, as you saw it. And I also wrote the copy on my landing page with ChatGPT. So the fact that you're here, it means it actually works because you're here. Yeah, so thank you, and let me know. I'm really curious to see how you use it and if it helped you.